Hello everyone. Uh, my name is Mahesh Prasad. I am from Valtech University, doing my MCA final year. So today I am going to present the project demo that is based on Android, and the domain is on surveillance systems. So before going to demo, I'd like to explain the small description about my project so that it will be easy to understand the demo. So I'm going to explain you the existing system and proposed system architecture. So here is the existing system architecture. Here webcam is used for the video recording purpose. So the webcam is placed in the bank or the mall, you can see everywhere. So that webcam is continuously record the videos and save it to the server. So this one is the existing system. But in proposed systems, here I am using the webcam not for the image video recording, but for the motion detection. That means if any object or any person will come in front of the camera, it will capture the image and save it to the third party server, and that server will notify to the GCM server. So what is GCM server? GCM server is nothing but it's a mediator between the third party server and the Android mobiles. So whatever the message or data if you want to send from the server to the Android applications, so we need the GCM servers in between this. So GCM server act as the mediator between these. So here overall we can easily understand that what's going on. So webcam is used for the object detection. Whatever the object will come in front of camera, it will send it to the that image will send in the Android mobile. So this one is the proposed system architecture. Now I'm going to present the demo so that it will be more clear. So my project is developed on Eclipse IDE. So I'm going to open the Eclipse. So this is the workspace where I developed the project. Now the Eclipse is opened. So here we can see the two file is there. Actually, two folder is there. So one folder is motion detection, and the second folder is video surveillance. So the video surveillance is the Android application that we have to install in our mobile phones, and this motion detection is a Java based application that is used to launch the camera, and that is also used for if any object will come in front of camera, then it will capture the image and send it to the Android mobile phones. So this is the two folders. So I am just launching the video surveillance application, that is Android application. So before that I have to launch the emulator, that is virtual device. So here I am launching the emulator. So this is the emulator. Actually it is the virtual device where we have get all the features of the mobile phones, but we don't have hardware support in the emulators. So we can execute the Android application in this AVD, that is Android virtual device. Now it will take some time to open, about 1 minute, so we have to wait. So now we have to also launch the Tomcat Apache server, because this system also acts as the server. So we have to launch the Apache server. So this is on C drive, program files, Tomcat 7. Now the Tomcat Apache is started. server startup. That means it started. Minimize it, close this one. Now we have to wait to open the emulator. Actually, emulator takes more time to open. So we can also use the third-party emulators like Jenny Motions. It will take less time to open, as well as Mobogini. So we can directly execute our application in our mobile phones through USB cable. Now it's open. Now I'm going to launch the video surveillance application. Run as Android application. Now this application is now installing in the virtual device. Here we can see it's launching video surveillance. It's in process, so we have to wait. Now the application is installed in our virtual device. Now it's open. So before going that, we have to register this application to the GCM server. For this we have to sign up. Here we have to fill all the details for registration. the email address, and finally the phone number. Now submit. Now registration successful. That means my application is now interacting with the GCM server and it's registered successfully. So we have to check that all the details is saved in our database or not. So for this, I'm using the SQL Yog. Here we can see all the data that I entered is updated or not. Here the data is updated. So the GCM ID is still not created. So for this we have to log in. Password. Now here the GCM ID is created. So the application is successfully installed and also it's successfully interacting with the GCM server. But for the image we have to open the Java application for the camera, so that if any object will come, then it will capture the image and send it to the mobile application. So I'm just launching the camera application. So here I'm using the laptop camera. We can also use the webcam also. So now I'm going to launch the camera here, and whatever the object or any person will come in front of the camera, then the image will come in our Android application. Now the camera is open, and here we can see that in front of camera nothing is there, no object is there, so the camera is not taking any image. There is no notification comes in the virtual device, but i'm just I'm just placing one object in front of camera, so that this object will come in the camera range, and that object is that image that object uh, captured by this camera application, and that image will come in the virtual device. So here I'm just I've just placed my mobile in front of camera, so it will detect the image. Now the notification comes. Now we have to see that what's the image come. So for every notification we have to authenticate with the application through user ID and password. Here the mobile that I just put on the camera range, it will capture. So it captured it captured the objects and sent it to our application. So this is my project, and that's all the demo. So if you like my project demo, my presentation, then click on like button, and you can also leave the comment. Thank you everyone.